Alright, we were at the insured is Miss Murray. We are on a State Farm claim to show that there's wind and hail on this roof. We're going to try to replace one of these shingles to show that the roof is unrepairable. I have one of the wind damaged shingles marked right there with chalk, and we're going to work on replacing these. Alright. Hold this here. Alright, so this is a shingle here. 1, 2, 3. So we gotta pull some of these up a little bit. This shingle here will actually go all the way through to up here. And make wider. There you go. Get underneath this one. Down for a second to get these nails out. As you see, I'm not lifting it up too much. Less than 45 degrees, just to get the nails out. Shingle in there. New shingles are a little bit wider. That's okay for this purpose. Okay. Okay, I gotta lift it up approximately 45 degrees to get a nail straight. By manufacturer installation specifications, the nail has to be driven straight down and not at an angle. So as you can see, I'm not lifting it too far, approximately around 45 or less. Look, coming up. What do you see there? creased shingles, right? Let's get nice and close. Didn't touch them. Just blowing off some of the loose granules. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs damaged. This roof is too brittle to be repaired.